Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, PM Couponer. Today I'll be sharing 3 very simple deals that you can do over at Walmart just using your phone. The Persil 16 count bags are on rollback for $4.77. Check the Persil bottles in this aisle to see if you find these $2 peelies. These have no size restriction, so you can use these on the 16 count bags. So that's $4.77 minus the $2 peely coupon. You'll pay $2.77. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta to get $2 back, making this just 77 cents. Check your stores to see if you have these Temptations lickable spoons on clearance. So these were just $1.50 at my store. No Ibotta rebates at the moment, but we do have a rebate on Shopkick for 100 kicks or 40 cents back. And Fetch is giving back $1 or 1,000 points with a limit of 3. So one will be $1.50 minus the 40 cents from Shopkick and $1 from Fetch. This will be just 10 cents. The Lifewater 1 liter sized bottle is priced at $1.98. Ibotta is giving back $1, making this just 98 cents. And that Ibotta rebate is a limit of 3. And remember, over here, we always try to check the clearance section. And when we have time, we even browse around the store to see if we see any hidden clearance. So I found these Guardians of the Galaxy Funko Pops. And even though these items did have clearance stickers on them with the price, I still make it a habit to check the store price on the Walmart app. So as you can see, Peter and Rocket were correctly marked at $15, but Drax was not $10. It was actually just $5. So don't always trust the prices that you see on the clearance stickers. This Selena Kyle Funko Pop was also on clearance for just $15. And this was another clearance item that I found in the regular aisles. So this 10-piece bathroom organizer from the Home Edit is priced in store for $24.98. But upon checking the price on my Walmart app, I found out that these were actually on clearance for just $10. So this is everything I picked up at Walmart today. My breakdown will only include the items that are giving rebates back and not the clearance items. So we're just going to go over the Persil, Lifewater, and Temptations. So the subtotal for those 8 items came up to $22.77, minus $6 in peely coupons for the Persil. I paid $16.77, but I got back a total of $8 from Ibotta, $1.20 from Shopkick, and $3 from Fetch, making the final total for those 8 items just $4.57 or 57 cents each. So not a huge haul, but an amazing haul nonetheless. And if you guys are new to any of the rebates mentioned in this video, I will have the links to each of those apps in the description. And here's the complete breakdown for you guys. That is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more money-saving content. God bless.